Welcome back to the last team of the season pack opening. Today, we have some beautiful packs that I've kept for myself and prepared for this day, along with 600k in coins if need be. But we are not looking for just any player. We're looking for the GOAT, the one and only Lionel Messi. Ooh, let's get into the first pack. Let's go! What are we gonna get? Austria. Center mint. Blue. The baby. Who? Terrible pack. Terrible pack. What can we get? Nothing? Give me some blues. No! Canada. ST. Zebra. Bravo. Shit. That's just shit. Give me a blue. No. Japan. Right back. Munchin. Mazda! It's not good though! This is terrible! PP! Get it off the screen! I gotta change it up. Maybe a nose pack. Boom. Give me something! Cameroon! Keeper! Whoa! Okay! 88 is not bad! Try this one. Please! Oh. What? Is that a bird? Who the hell is Muridu? Oh. What am I supposed to do? It's just terrible. Please. Germany. Striker. Egg. Martins! Why are you shit? It's just nothing good. What am I supposed to do? Let's try one of these. Please! Canada. Center mid. Ass. How are you gonna be a man, but you're not a man? You're a man, mom. Maybe one of these. Give me one of these. No. Canada. Goalkeeper. Bumblebee. Cobblestone. Man, what am I supposed to do? Get up? Want me to dance? Want me to shake my ass? Like, please. Give me something! Algeria! Neymar! You look different! You been in the sun? One of these, maybe. Where's the blue? Canada. Left back. Munchin. Nigel Wang! I got Nigel Wang! What do we have? Give me one of these. This has gotta be it. No! 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 It's cobblestone! Who's Ruben Dance? Why? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Where are the blues? It's just, it's shit. Fuck off, Cobble. Please. This is gotta be it! No! Center back! Barcelona! Era Paredes! No! Casa! Casa De Niro! Oh, this is shit! I'm getting Baku again! Falafel? Maybe one of these. Why not? Oh! No blue! Why? Ass! Oh. I got mierda! Why? There's just nothing. There's just nothing. Fuck it. Police! No! Don't you dare. Don't you dare! Oh. I'm done with Kabul! Bernardino! What can I do? I just want a blue. Give me a blue. Oh, Kelly! There's no blue! There's no blue! There's no blue! And why? Bumblebee! He names himself Brand. Brand? What? And I get Sean. Look at this guy named Sean. Sean DePaul. I need something out of this pack. Please. Please. Just one blue. One blue to end it off. Begging you. Actually, I can buy some packs. Yeah, let's buy one of these. Yeah. This has got to be the blue. Give me a blue. Wait. What? Huh? Who? Mudrick? Man, that sucks! Schmigel! We got Schmigel! Now that's a pack! You gotta be worth something. Why? 60K! You couldn't be worth anything. You're literally white. Got sand pussy. I can't. I just want a blue. I'm begging you. Please. Just one. One blue. Oh my god. No! I get Lapuria! Lapuria! Why? Why? I couldn't get anything but Labooty? Please be a blue. Please be a blue. Please! Messi! Who? It's Ginger! McAss! You're shit! Oh, man. Why? 60K? Please. 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 Who? Santiago? Morgan? You don't look blue. 95! Knew you gotta be worth something. 95! Please. Please. Please be worth something. Please. $40K! $40K? Really? Oh, why? Oh my... Just go. Just go. I don't even want to see you.
Make sure to like and sub.